So what is lasagna or palusami gardening method? It is basically building a garden bed by adding layers of organic materials. So just how our mamas cook lasagna and our fathers or in the room cook palusami, how you have layers in those food, we are basically going to be having layers in our gardens. While lasagna gardening method, the organic materials that you put in will break down over time, and once they break down over time, the organic material will eventually turn into rich, fluffy soil. It is an easy method, as you do not have to remove existing weeds that's already there. You do not have to double dig, right? For areas with poor soil, like probably here in Levin, for areas with poor soil, it is a great way to fill a raised bed, as there are high chances of growing and harvesting food at the same time. And as a result, again, the breakdown will enrich the soil.
Please don't leave me now. Kiss me till the sun goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down. Kiss me till the sun goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down. Kiss me till the sun.
Today, the initiative is pretty good, especially for ourselves as Pasifika who don't really normally be in the garden and use the garden as a place for us to grow our own food. So today was really insightful for all of us to learn a bit more and know a bit more, especially around gardening.
Trying to hold it together, scared I'ma lose you forever.